PGL had a great month of October. Here's a glimpse at some of the moving parts. PGL attended the NBAA BACE in Las Vegas and the Level Up trade show in Universal City. We celebrated the U.S. Navy's birthday and, of course, Halloween. PGL was able to install fully customized full-scope solutions for Spirit Halloween this spooky season. Check out our latest case study.
This project with Spirit was pretty large, pretty significant for us. Lots of volume in, lots of volume out. The big challenge was all the volume coming in at one time and how that storage process would work, and then keeping track of all that inventory and all the flow of that stuff as it needed to go out as we sat on it for multiple months.
The 4-month process begins with receiving over 85,000 inbound. Plus, a look at our international freight department with some helpful tips. Depending on budget and timing, the details of international freight can be custom engineered to exactly fit your needs. From expensive, time-critical air freight to more affordable ocean freight, and the multitude of details that accompany whichever modes of transportation are the best for you, PGL has the people, processes, and technology to get the job done. This includes the many other services that come with complex international freight projects, such as customs, drayage, transload truck freight, storage, insurance, and more. That's why it pays to have a team of experts on your side to shepherd your shipment along the way, providing peace of mind that the many obstacles along the way are cleared. Here's an international freight tip. To get the most out of your international freight efforts, PGL recommends familiarizing yourself with the Incoterms and customs requirements of the destination country to avoid any delays. Last but not least, a recap of the key insights and events that helped shape the supply chain industry this month.
Container import volumes are showing some positive signs with steady increases since the February low and positive numbers relative to the pre-COVID conditions of 2019. As we've noted before, 2019 is not a great benchmark for defining normal, as it was not a great year for the supply chain industries. But as we search for some indication of what a post-pandemic reality looks like, current conditions...